Morning, guys. I'm here in the car. It's early. Um, you can't even see that. It's 4:22. Eating the pizza and wearing the sweatpants. And yeah, we're gonna go pick up Max. So yeah, so where we're at so far. That lens flare.
Lift tickets are in the glove box. Lift tickets are in the glove box.
Look at that. Welcome to ASMR. We're on the way. I'm about to go to sleep for a while. It's only a 3-hour drive, so I might fall asleep for the whole drive, so I might not get a lot of footage. Good night. Alright, so it's a little bit later. As you can see out of the sky, we've been on the road for a little bit. I slept. It was a good sleep. And I don't know how close we are, but I think we're kind of close. So it shouldn't be that much longer till we get there. We're at a gas station. I don't really have to use the restroom, so I'm not going to. There's my dad. Yeah, that's about it. So we're here now. We're up on the mountain, and we're about to go snowboarding. We have to go quickly, so I'm gonna go, and I'm gonna use the GoPro. Hey guys, we've been snowboarding for a little bit. As you can see, it's like insanely crowded. We're gonna ski for a little bit longer. We're about to go pick up my friend who had to take a ski lesson, or a snowboard lesson. Yeah, we're here in Wintergreen. Obviously the quality's gonna be as good, because this is GoPro. But, yeah, it's alright. Yeah, I'm probably gonna get, another clip of me going down a mountain. Yeah, see you then. Alright, we're about to go. Alright, Max, let's go. That was weird. Ah! Whoa! Oh my god. Yeah, I was not expecting that. It's Max. Oh, there's another one. Bro, your face is so wet.
Yeah, I know.
There's so much water.
Oh my God. What color was that, though?
What?
Good thing you got the helmet. You. Yeah, pick it up. So much snow went down the back of my street. Yeah, it looks so cool.
The whole mountain.
Yeah, if I came here with Max alone, I'd make him.
Alright, so here we have in front of us the whole mountain. The whole one. And there's a general. That's not a general store. What is that? That's a school. That's a school. There's a well. Here's some. Oh, Brownie's about to fall.
You know, that happens.
Let him fall.
No, grab the round.
I got him. We're leaving. We were there for approximately 4 hours, 32 minutes, and 67 seconds, and 12 light seconds. There's the sun. There's the trees. Take a look at that mountain. Wow, there's a lot of people living up there. Oh, there's a house. There's the house that we saw, I think. I think it's that. Is it that one? I don't know. It looks like it. Oh, look at the little baby Christmas trees. There's a mountain.
It's in my bag. He's terrible.
I don't need it.
Yeah, okay. Look in the mirror.
There's a sideways tree. I'm probably about to snap a photograph.
Wow, it turned out to be a big, blue, beautiful day.
We're so high up, dudes. There's a house up there.
Yeah, up
They're
there too.
pretty much touching the space.
Above the tree line.
Wow, look at that.
We're gonna film that.
No, I'm good. Oh, there's a car. You can't tell, but it's actually really far away.
What are you looking for? Get down there, you'll see water.
Look at all those
What they do,
mountains.
Max, is they pump the water up from down here. And you can see it. It's a giant holding tank.
I saw that.
They probably have several of them there.
They usually have ponds.
You can't just have one.
No. It's big loads.
Are there deer here?
Oh, yeah. Deer, bear.
Mice, tigers, snakes, scorpions. censor that out.
Oh, I didn't know you were video. Good thing you
There's a little village right there. What is? It is a little village. There's some water and a little pool. This shot's going on way too long. Right now we're passing Redneck Town. There's a lot of trucks and there's a lot of redneck things like shacks, bridges, trees, more shacks. That I don't even think a monkey could live in that. Why are there so many abandoned houses? Like, do people like live in all these houses?
Well, they all have to work somewhere. That's the bigger challenge.
They plant grass seeds. That's probably what they do.
They plant rock seeds.
Redneck. Oh my god. Wow. Wow. That pretty much sums up everything. Oh my god. Wow. That was disgusting. Hey guys, it's 6 o'clock right now. I didn't film any on the way home because it was literally just like houses that we were passing. Can you see my math on the screen? 35. But like it was kind of boring. I went to sleep. We didn't do that much. I just got Wendy's. And yeah, there wasn't that much to film, but it was good. I got GoPro footage this time, so we'll see what that's like. I might do a falling montage. Yeah, that's it. Bye.